Hi everyone, Lee Mack here from Operation Feel Fit. As you can see, I've got my little setup here for the first home workout that I'm ever going to put together for Operation Feel Fit. So we're going to do a morning 10-minute workout, which you can do every single morning. I just want you to like, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified when more videos get released. Just follow along, subscribe, and I promise you the weight will start to fall off you. So just a bit of a background story. Like I say, my name's Lee Mack. About 2 years ago now, I started recording and vlogging my health and fitness journey. Now, I have had my successes, I've had my failures, it's all there to see. However, I am on the up and up now, and I'm on the right path. I'm going in the right direction. And like I say, the channel has primarily been vlog focused for the last 2 years. There's around about 190 videos on there. Like I say, I've had my successes, I've had my failures. I'm on the up and up now. Going forward, I've decided that a lot of the videos are going to be home workout based. So we're going to do a lot of these videos going forward. We are still going to do the vlogs on occasion, and we have a video vlog section, but we will be doing a lot of home workouts. So like I say, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, stay tuned. And we also have a website coming very, very soon, operationfeelfit.com, where you can go ahead, you can enter your email and get really good tips and advice on nutrition. So you've got your home workouts for free, and they are 100% free, by the way, they always will be. And then you've got help with the nutrition there on the website, operationfeelfit.com. Just a bit of news about my dog. My dog, who I love dearly, I had to put to sleep 3 days ago, and we've been one man and his dog for the last 11 years, and we've set businesses up together. We had a dog treat business, which didn't work out, unfortunately, but what I've said is I'm going to do this, and I'm going to dedicate all my time and effort now into doing these home workouts for the channel, and I'm going to dedicate it to her. So me and her in spirit, she's going to be with me, we're going to be doing this, and it's going to keep my mind occupied because, like I say, at the moment, I am heartbroken, absolutely heartbroken. So this is going to help me as well to keep my mind bright and focused on something else. So please, like I say, like, subscribe, and let's get on with this first workout. 10-minute morning workout.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the very first home workout of Operation Feel Fit just there. Like I say, that was a 10-minute morning workout routine with no equipment that you can do every single morning. Now, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified of new home workouts when I release them, because that was the first of many. We're going to do lots and lots of stuff, lots of challenges, 30-day workout programs, 40-day workout programs, 60-day workout programs. I'm just going to keep creating them. There's going to be lots of good stuff, as well as my vlogs as well. Now, please understand, I'm doing this alongside with you. Unlike a lot of other channels that do this type of stuff, they're already where they want to be. They've already got the body, they've already got the six-pack, they're exactly where they want to be. With me, I'm not there yet, so it's kind of a unique way of doing it. I'm actually getting fit with my subscribers as we go through the process, and as I do more and more videos and you keep subscribed and keep watching them, you'll also not only see your body transform, but you'll see my body transform as well at the same time. So we're actually doing it together, and I think that's a really good, unique way to do this, you know. So that's another reason to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next workout.